Make a great choice today with the 2013 Camaro. Camaro is developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, power windows, rear window defroster, USB connection. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.